What's up, guys? It's messing up with my phone. I'm back again with another video. So today I'll be doing my midweek review. And I'll be focusing only on these four pairs. And yeah, first pair I'll start with this Euro cat, which is looking very nice. But then we'll see what happens. Because I have something like this, and then one, two, then on the low. So we have this near miss here. And it's giving us something like a steep flare or so. But then it's a continuation pattern. Just waiting on the third touch, then I'll be looking for my sell. But then from here, it can continue just sell and cover up the gap, since we also had this override here. And yeah, there's a slight near miss on the third touch, but then the override carries more weight. So probably we had something like this, which could have made sense. Yeah, that makes sense as well. But then what I'm also looking at is this hook point here, where price may go and tap, and then we may get the shorts. So let me go on the 1 hour. In the 1 hour, you can see that currently having this sort of nature here. So we could get this third touch on the bottom, go up, tap the hook point, flag, then I'll take my entry there all the way to the low. So my entry would be somewhere like that. And then something like that. My second pair is Euro GBP. Euro GBP has been respecting very nicely, but then did not get any positions yet. I was watching this flag that happened today, but then didn't take it. Reason being is that I'm looking at this, something like that. So price may be coming here for that low. So that would be our point A. We go there, point B. Then we look for shorts to the way to there. Also, out of this was my overhead. So if you can check here, I'm seeing like a middle section is being created as we had this here, we had that scoop there, then now we had that middle section. So now I'll only just wait for that to happen. impulse, and then my flag there. Then I take the shots. Then I take my shots the way there. So I'll be trailing my stop loss, so may as well go all the way to that level there, which is at 25%. But then on the normal day, it's 10%. And then one of my favorites, anxiety cat. Anxiety cat is coming up nicely to create that large continuation flag, 3-touch structure. Okay, here previously respected that high there. And then I'm looking at this level here. And then we also had the 1-2 on the bottom with that gap there. So that's a complete flag. When it gets there, I'll only wait for a strong daily rejection. And then from there, I'll go to the smaller time frames and look for entries. Then for this one, I may enter like after I see a strong daily close, a rejection, and then probably on the next day or following days, or that's when I'll be looking for continuation patterns, as it will be a higher probability. It will be a more higher probability setup. Okay, so I can put this there. Alright, then there. Just approaching that touch now. Just need to wait for like, it's nearly there, 90 pips. So just need to wait. And then now it's creating a continuation pattern, which I will not entertain. I'll only wait for the sell because there's a greater ratio, risk to reward ratio. So I'll be waiting for that last push there. Then a flag. Then I get my flag. I'll be targeting the slow there. Nice 20 pip stop loss. Target is 11%. So I'll also be trading here if possible. If price breaks this level there aggressively while I've trailed, I could end up walking away with right about 31%, which is the overall target. But then for now, my target is 11% on this pair. So yeah, and then the last pair is Euro NZD. Also one of the favorites. Looking good for this week. So let's stick on the weekly. Yes, we had a nice weekly rejection there. But then, yeah, we haven't closed yet. And this high was respected there. Okay. So also we have this broke above, came back, flag, came back in, gave a continuation which was missed, went down. Now I'm waiting to take this continuation all the way to this low here. Just waiting for it to form properly. So far, so good. Promising. Just waiting for a 3-touch flag. Currently having a 1-2. And I'll be waiting for the bottom here. I'll be waiting for this bottom to complete. Something like that. Then go to the third point. 1 hour rejection. And then that's when I'll take my entry. And the tight stop loss of 24 pips. And then those targets. Okay, you see that here we have an insurance area, so need to be careful. So from there to there it's 8%, and then to those targets here it's 17%. So yeah, just waiting for that last push for the third touch. Then that's when I'll take my sell on Euro NZD.